Hello again, folks. So today I thought I would share with you a very special unboxing indeed. And here's a parcel. I did just open the end and had a peek when I knew what it was. So for those of you who don't know, who are new, I've just hit 900 subscribers, and this is a package day from the awesome Nigby lock bothering. Now, it was kind enough to make me a set to give away for my last giveaway, and this time I asked him if he would be kind enough to do the same again, to which he very kindly agreed, because both he and I know for all you folks out there are mad for his stuff, and I can't blame you, because he has taken homemade tools to a whole new level. I mean, right, this is an example. This is just something I knocked up quick. It's just a couple of nails, bent nail tension tool. If I reach over here, our good friend Nigby took that design. I went a whole lot further and got proper silver bar, silver solder, and everything else. And look at that shine. So this is his old set. Should I say his old set? He has tinkered with resin designs. Now bear with me a second. Here we go. If you don't know of his resin designs, I will leave a link to how he makes these down below in the description. You need to see the care and detail. I mean, these are his dimple flags. He files these down from injector pins. He turns his own wood, and then he puts these grooves in and builds up these resin layers, layer by layer, painstakingly over days. Now, there is dimple picks. Like I say, you need to go down below. But he's made not just a set for this giveaway, my 900 subs giveaway. There's this thing again. But you've got to see this. That'll be mine probably. So, not only has he done that, I'm going to unwrap these all one by one. No, maybe they're mine. So yeah, he made this set and he showed me this set. Oh yeah, here we go. So this is the giveaway one. So we can push his trademark. That's your lollipop handle. So yeah, not only did he make an awesome set to give away, he went above and beyond. And he made this awesome set with resin inlays. And I can tell you now, folks, as well, that he's told me this is going to be quite a limited edition because of the time it takes to do this. Obviously, he has to put the grooves in there and then be so careful finishing all of it while he's working on that. So, yeah, at least 12 hours. Whoops. Over several days. And that's what gives you this beautiful, he's even put one on there, look, for your barrel key or posted lever locks. So you've got a full matching set, and these will be your wires. There we go, there are your wires. And now you go into your lollipop, interchangeable. So that is going to be your prize for Nick's Picks Vice Versa 900, a full matching limited edition resin set of lever lock tools, courtesy of Nigby. And again, Nigby, thank you so much for your support, my friend. This means the world to me. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. You really have taken it to a whole new level. And yeah, this makes them all moist. Look at that. Hang on a minute. I'm sure I can line them up better. I can't. All fingers and thumbs. But yeah, what a beautiful set. So, this could be yours. Stay tuned. And while we're at it, because I saw that set and I coveted it so much, I did say to him, you can't just make me a set for that to give away. Can you make me one? So he did. And look, it's kept my colours. It's beautiful orange and blue. And he's done the same again. Again, it's just exquisite. This is smooth to the touch. There's no faults at all. Let me just get more out. There we go. There's another one. Again, the camera doesn't do it justice, really. Just how lovely these are. I'm going to have to try and show them again in daylight. We'll see. But on top of that as well, because I bent one of my originals, he's actually made me a replacement. Look at that. Because I bent this on the, it was a Squire 550, I think. I can't remember. I'm sure it was. Squire 550, it was a Squire 550. And I bent mine because it needed ridiculous tension. And he's very kindly made me another one to replace it. How cool is that? Just legend. Thank you. Thank you. There we go. Again, the camera doesn't do it justice. Look at that. The full matching set. Oops. And of course the wires. For my lollipop handle, I like the black ones. And they go perfectly with these beautiful dimple picks, which again, he very, very kindly made for me. So, yeah, if you want more tools, go and check out Nigby. And thank you so much for these treasured additions to my collection. And if you want to win these, stay tuned, folks. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, take care. And thank you very much to this legend. Ta-da.